Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering tools and cutting power. This protects you and the circuit. Once done, label wires so you know their positions later. Now locate the connector latch and any secondary locks. Depress the main release with a pick or release tool while you keep gentle tension on the wire using needle nose pliers. Make small, controlled movements to avoid bending the terminal. You do this so the locking tab clears the housing without deforming the terminal, preserving its reuse potential. You stabilize the connector housing with one hand so the locking tang can be depressed reliably. Then, while keeping the tab depressed, pull the wire straight out with steady force and a slight wiggling motion. Rocking along the wire axis helps release stuck terminals. If the terminal is crimped tightly, use a precision crimping tool to slightly open the crimp before extracting. Otherwise, you risk permanently deforming the contact. This careful technique preserves the housing and the terminal for reuse. You finish by inspecting the terminal and housing. Look for bent locking tangs, corrosion, or crushed metal. If any defect exists, replace the terminal. Do not force a damaged contact back in. Once clean, recrimp a new terminal using the correct die for the wire gauge, then reinsert until you hear a positive click. Finally, test continuity and secure the strain relief. If the terminal won't seat or pull free, check for a hidden secondary lock or corrosion and consider replacing the whole connector.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.